Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can zoom in or zoom out in Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut PC application, and if we want to create zoom in or zoom out effect, we can use keyframe feature. So I'm going to click on my video, and then this is how the keyframe feature looks like, and we can use this keyframe to create zoom in or zoom out effect. If we want to use it to create zoom in or zoom out effect, we can apply the keyframe to the scale. For the first position or the start position, I'm going to add the keyframe right here. And then for the end position, I'm going to scale it just like so. Okay, and then the keyframe has been automatically added. And then I'm going to take a look at the result. As you can see that the zoom in effect has been created. If you want to zoom out, you just need to do the same step. You can put the keyframe and you can customize the scale. Alright guys, and that's all the way to zoom in or zoom out in Capcut PC using the keyframe. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.